video record. Don't block the camera with your hand.
And here we are. And we're here at Lance's, and we're here on
box off, see what we got there. Looks pretty good. I mean, nothing looks broken. I hear a lot of bad stuff about R&L, but I'm pretty surprised. I don't want to speak too soon, but it looks pretty good so far. A couple scratches on the top, but that could just be the box itself. Alright guys, this is the gasket set it came with. I'm going to show them one gasket set for the headers, you know, valve cover oil pan most likely. Yeah, let's lift this bad girl off, see what she's looking like. Oh, damn, look at her. Woo! All timed and everything, ready to get a nice oil pan on it, nice valve cover. Damn, might be too nice, Dad. Yeah, it might be too nice for us. Woo! This little camper's gonna get it. Old one's looking jealous over there. But look at her. Man. Gasket's already on there for the water tube, and man, look at that. There goes Brian. Brother Brian, he's about to come over and check it out. See what he got to say. Let's open this up and see what the heck this is. Get my razor. See what's going on here. Lift this bad boy up. Ooh, got the break-in fluids. All the break-in fluids.
No, that's it.
A core bag, so I'll return my core.
Thank you.
What did you
Where's
do?
my soap? No, I'm just kidding.
You take the old one back?
Not yet. We'll send it back next. But got the fresh core, fresh break-in, nice break-in oil. Yeah, a couple hundred. Most likely send it back.
You have to get this in before it gets wet and shit.
Look at it though, look at it. Check this bad girl out, Leo. It's all timed and ready for oil pan and yeah, it's pretty much everything's there. Torque down, water pump's torqued. Just gotta put my parts on there, and I'm super excited. Beautiful head, everything's brand new and everything's marked. I don't gotta do nothing to it, bro. Oil pump's on and all, everything's on. Got my damn. Everything's crisp. Little sealant around the gaskets, like they know all the good spots to hit stuff. I really think I ran my friggin' wire harness the wrong way. I'm gonna pull off my intake top panel and rerun it. Little high idle. Hell yeah, brother, I'm cruising now. Sounds great, just slowly breaking it in. Got my dad with me.
Ew!